Finally picked up my dream car, Saturn Iron Redline Supercharged. I've had SRT4s, P2 Cruiser Turbo, GT 5 speeds. Good cars, but build quality is definitely questionable at best. And I got the loaded model. The only thing missing is the gauge pod for the boost gauge that sometimes they come with, but it all depends. Got the Recaro seats. And the car is in absolutely great condition. And low miles for the year. And a beautiful supercharger. I gotta clean up this engine bay a little bit. But there you guys go.